Here's how to make your own spice drawer organizer so yours can look like this. Make sure you clear everything out first so you can get good measurements to make your custom inserts. Of course you can buy these online, but making your own is super cheap and you can size it perfectly to your space. I'm using 1/4-inch birch plywood from Home Depot. They sell these super affordable smaller project panels, so you don't have to buy full 4x8 sheets. My drawer fits 4 rows of spice jars, so I divided the depth of the drawer by 4 to figure out how deep each insert should be. I cut everything down to size using my circular saw, but if you don't have one, a basic handsaw works just fine. These cuts are pretty simple. For the supports, I made thin 1-inch tall strips. These will hold and angle up each row of jars. Once everything was cut, I sanded all the edges smooth with 220 grit sandpaper and then wiped them down one by one. I glued each insert piece together using wood glue. Just spread wood glue on each side, stick them together, and you can use painter's tape to hold it tight and in place while it dries. Once I had them all assembled, I did a quick dry fit in the drawer to make sure everything lined up nicely, and it's a perfect fit. Once it dried, I peeled the tape, and I did swap all my spices into these super cute matching glass jars. Not totally necessary, but it does make it easier to keep the rows all the same size, and I get a little dopamine boost every time I open this drawer now. They come with little labels too, so everything looks clean and uniform. This is seriously one of those quick wins that makes your whole kitchen feel more put together. It's cheap, it's beginner friendly, and it might even make you enjoy cooking a little more. Try it out and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs.